Lost Turtle and I. As you can see, we finally made it to our main destination here. This is the main Keyway Arc here. And back in the days, the train would go over this bridge. Not no more. It's an old walking trail now. And it is one mighty dangerous one at that. So if you're coming here, make sure your shoes are tied and make sure you're not drinking alcohol, because you don't want to slip off the edge there, because it's 60 feet down approximately. And we're looking at the Westfield River right now. It looks like a very, very good river for kayakers to kayak down in the springtime. As you can see, lots and lots of white water. And lots of little tunnels that go run underneath the railroad tracks that push water out from along the ridges of these mountains. So you can always explore deep within the mountain if you wanted to. Because straight across, there's a tunnel for all you tunnel dwellers. But look at this, huh? What a mighty sight that is. Like the Lost Turtle said, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears building this. Well, like I always say, guys, get off that couch, because you never know what's right out in your backyard. So with that, I'll see you around. Well, Turtle, let's get on a walking.
All right.